Hello, dear students. Good morning. So, welcome to the YouTube channel of NIRS of Class 6 Science. Dear students, in the previous class, I have completed the lesson water. Okay, so we have discussed the sources of water, evaporation process, condensation, how the rain is formed, how the clouds are formed, how the clouds fall down in the form of rain through the process of condensation, and what is water cycle. Okay, so what is rainwater harvesting? So all this we have discussed in this lesson, and it is very interesting too. Okay, so now let's go for the exercise part of this lesson. Okay, so let me start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one, so question number 1, fill in the blanks in the following. So first one, the process of changing of water into its vapor form is called dash. Yes. So as you studied already, so the process of changing of water into its vapor form is called evaporation process. It is called evaporation. So Bth one, the process of changing water vapor into water, it is reverse of the first one. So converting the process of converting the water vapor into vapor water form, that is liquid state, that is called as condensation. So gases form to liquids form, so that is called condensation. So third one, no rainfall for a year or more may lead to dash in that region. So if there is no rainfall, okay, for a 1 year or more than 1 years, that's why it may lead to dash region. Okay, which reason? It may lead to a problem of drought. Okay, it is called as, it may leads to drought condition. Okay, so last one, dth one, excessive rains may cause dash. If excessive means more, if it rains heavily, that is more heavy rain takes place, that is what excessive rain takes place, then it may cause what? Flood situation. Okay, so dear students, now let's move for the question number 2 now. Okay, state for each of the following statements whether it is due to evaporation or condensation, whether the which of the following processes in following sentence statements. Okay, so whether it is due to the evaporation process or whether it takes place due to the condensation, you have to say yes or no. Okay, so you have to state that which process it is. Okay, first one, the water drops appear on the outer surface of a glass containing cold water. Okay, one glass is there, it is containing the cold water inside, and the outer surface of that surface of the glass, the water droplets are appearing. So that is due to the which process? That is condensation. Okay, due to the cooling effect of the glass, the surrounding air around the outer surface get condensed and collected in the form of droplets. That is condensation process. Okay, second one, steam rising from wet clothes when they are ironed. See, suppose when you are ironing, if the cloth is still wet, okay, then the steam starts coming when they are ironed. It is due to the process of, that is, evaporation, because the water droplets gets converted into water vapor, that is called as evaporation. So that is the one. So seeth one, fog appearing on a cold winter morning. So nowadays you can see it is a winter season now. Okay, so in the winter season, if you see morning, so nothing can be seen from the distance. Okay, you will see only the fog. So why this fog appears? The reason is that it is a condensation process, means the clouds, okay, from the clouds, due to the condensation process, the water droplets may fall in the form of rain or fog or hail. Okay, this is a fog is a kind of condensation process. Okay, it is condensation. So dth one, blackboard dries up after wiping it. See, if you dry, no, see, there is a blackboard, something written on it. If you wipe it with a wet cloth, it get dries up immediately. Okay, so this is due to the evaporation process, the water droplets get evaporated. Last one, steam rising from a hot girdle when water is sprinkled on it. On a hot girdle, if you just spray the water on it, so the steam rises, that is due to the evaporation. You can see in the hotels. Okay, to make the puri, they have put on kadai. Okay, so on kadai the liquid is containing, so when you spray just water, so the what comes there, immediately steam rises, so that is due to evaporation process. Okay, so I hope you understood this now. So let's go for the question number 3. Here, which of the following statements are true? You have to, if they are false, you have to say false. If they are right, true, they you have to say true. Okay, first one, water vapor is present in air only during the monsoon. Is it right? So do you find the water vapor in the air only during the monsoon season? No, not at all. Every day, every time it water vapor will be there. Every time the water vapor is present in the surroundings. Okay, so it is false. Second one, water evaporates into the air from oceans, rivers, and lakes, but not from the soil. Is it right? No, it is false. So, not only the water gets evaporated from the water sources like rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., even the water content which is present on the soil also gets evaporated. Okay, so it is false. Third one, the process of water changing into its vapor form is called evaporation. Okay, the process of changing water changing into vapor form. So the process of changing water into its vapor form is called evaporation. Yes, it is true. Yes. Last one, fourth one. The evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. The process of evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. Is it right? No, evaporation is such a process, okay, which even takes place in the night time also due to the hotness. Okay, so it is not only takes place during the sunlight, it also takes place some other time also. Night time also it can take place. Okay, but it is slower. Okay, so it does not take place only in sunlight. Okay, but it is more effective and more faster in sunlight, but not the faster in night time. So it is false. So next one, last one, water vapor condenses to form teeny droplets. Okay, water vapor get condensed and form a teeny droplets of water. So in the upper layer of the air where it is cooler, the upper layer of air when it is very cooler, the tiny droplets gets condensed, okay, to form a tiny droplets. It is true. So dear students, so far we have discussed true or false, fill in the blanks, and process of evaporation and condensation. So in tomorrow's class, let me complete this remaining part of the exercise of this lesson, water. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.